Best folding electric bikes, our experts' top picks. Are you ready to elevate your biking experience? Introducing folding electric bikes. These bikes not only offer a seamless ride, but they also fold up easily for effortless storage and transportation. However, with numerous options available in the market, it can be challenging to choose the right one. That's where we can help. In this video, we have curated a list of the top 8 folding electric bikes that will transform the way you commute, explore, and relish biking. The Lectric XP 3.0 is an affordable yet powerful electric bike designed for riders who want to enjoy the benefits of an electric bike without breaking the bank. This upgraded version of the popular Lectric XP model boasts new features and improvements that enhance its performance, comfort, and versatility. The Lectric XP 3.0 is equipped with a powerful 750-watt rear hub motor that can achieve a top speed of 28 miles per hour and travel up to 55 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. Its 48-volt, 13-amp-hour lithium-ion battery can be fully charged in around 5 hours, and the motor is controlled by a simple and intuitive LCD display that shows speed, distance, and battery level. In addition to its performance capabilities, the Lectric XP 3.0 was designed with comfort and convenience in mind. Its durable yet lightweight aluminum frame can support riders up to 330 pounds and features a suspension fork and suspension seat post that absorbs shocks and bumps for a smoother and more comfortable ride. The bike also includes several functional accessories such as front and rear lights, a rear rack, and a kickstand. Overall, the Lectric XP 3.0 offers an excellent balance of performance, comfort, and affordability. It is an ideal choice for riders who want a reliable and powerful electric bike for commuting, running errands, or exploring the outdoors without spending a fortune. With a starting price of around $1,099, the Lectric XP 3.0 is highly competitive compared to other electric bikes with similar features and performance. Rad Power Bikes is excited to introduce their newest folding electric bike, the Rad Expand 5, designed with commuters in mind. It features a sleek and lightweight aluminum frame that folds up easily for storage. At just $1,299 US, it's the second most affordable model in Rad's lineup, following the $1,199 Rad Mission. The Rad Expand 5 comes equipped with a powerful 500-watt motor and a large battery pack for extended range. Additionally, the bike has a comfortable upright riding position and front and rear suspension, making it ideal for tackling rough roads or city streets. The Rad Expand 5 is perfect for anyone who needs to get around town quickly and easily. With its powerful motor, extended range, folding frame, and suspension, you'll never have to worry about getting stuck in traffic or struggling up hills. Plus, it's easy to store in small spaces, so you can take it anywhere. Whether you need a reliable mode of transportation or just want to enjoy a leisurely ride on the weekends, the Rad Expand 5 is the perfect choice. The Aventon Cinch Step-Through is a lightweight and powerful electric bike, perfect for efficient commuting. It has an easy-to-fold design, making it an ideal option for those with limited storage space. The bike comes equipped with front and rear lights and a built-in chain guard, ensuring visibility to other cyclists and motorists. The 250-watt hub motor offers plenty of power with a top speed of up to 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 30 miles. The Cinch is compatible with both Shimano 6-speed and 7-speed drivetrains, allowing you to choose the gearing that best suits your needs. With a starting price of around $1,799, the Aventon Cinch Step-Through offers a great balance of performance, comfort, and style at a reasonable price point. Compared to other electric bikes with similar features and performance, the Cinch is very competitive. Overall, the Aventon Cinch Step-Through is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable electric bike that delivers both safety and performance. The Blix Vika Plus Flex is among the top folding electric bikes available in the market. Its high-quality construction and components provide a smooth and seamless ride. The bike's powerful motor supplies ample torque for climbing hills and accelerating. Its long-range, large battery makes it perfect for daily commuting or weekend rides. The bike folds down swiftly and effortlessly, enabling you to take it on public transportation or store it in your trunk. The frame is made from lightweight aluminum alloy, making it robust and long-lasting. It features a suspension fork, adjustable stem, and riser handlebars for added comfort. The Vika Plus Flex comes with large 26-inch wheels that have puncture-resistant tires for added traction on wet or slippery roads. Additionally, the bike has an LCD display that shows speed, battery level, and other data. It has front and rear disc brakes for quick stopping power in all weather conditions. The bike also has a built-in headlight and taillight for enhanced visibility at night. Overall, the Blix Vika Plus Flex is an excellent electric bike that provides an ideal balance of performance, comfort, and convenience. With a starting price of around $1,899, the bike offers great features and performance at a reasonable price. Mod City Plus is one of the top folding electric bikes on the market. It is perfect for those who want to ride smoothly and seamlessly in style. This bike has a powerful motor that can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. It also has a durable frame that can support riders up to 250 pounds. Additionally, the Mod City Plus comes with a variety of features that makes it a great choice for anyone looking for a top-quality folding electric bike. Some of the features included on the Mod City Plus are a foldable aluminum frame, front and rear disc brakes, an integrated headlight and taillight, adjustable handlebars and stem, a 250-watt motor, 10-speed Shimano derailleur gears, and a 48-volt 13-amp-hour lithium-ion battery. With all of these features, the Mod City Plus is definitely one of the best folding electric bikes on the market today. Overall, it is an excellent electric bike that offers a great balance of performance, comfort, and safety. It's ideal for riders who want a stylish and practical electric bike that can handle different challenges and situations without sacrificing comfort or safety. The bike has a starting price of around $2,190, which is reasonable considering its features and performance. The Tern Vectron folding electric bike is highly regarded for several reasons. First and foremost, it is one of the lightest and most compact folding e-bikes available in the market, making it highly portable. Additionally, the bike features a powerful motor that provides up to 20 miles of assisted riding, perfect for commuters or anyone seeking a little extra boost. However, what truly sets the Tern Vectron apart is its unique fluid drive system. The hydrostatic transmission provides smooth and seamless power delivery, enhancing the ride experience and extending the life of the motor and battery. The Tern Vectron is also equipped with several useful features such as an integrated LED headlight, adjustable handlebar stem, and rear rack for carrying items. Moreover, it comes in various stylish colors that enable riders to express their personal style. The bike's modern and minimalist design with clean lines and matte black finish adds to its appeal, while the ergonomic grips and comfortable saddle enhance the riding experience. Overall, the Tern Vectron is an excellent electric bike that provides a great balance of performance, comfort, and convenience. It's an ideal choice for riders looking for versatile and compact means of commuting or exploring the city without compromising on power or comfort. Although its starting price of around $3,699 is higher than some of the other folding electric bikes, it reflects the bike's high-quality components and construction. The Brompton Electric C-Line is an electric folding bike specifically designed for urban commuters who prioritize convenience, portability, and style. It combines the classic design and functionality of the Brompton folding bike with the latest electric technology, offering riders a fast, efficient, and eco-friendly mode of transportation. The motor is powered by a 300-watt-hour lithium-ion battery cleverly integrated into the bike's frame, maintaining the bike's sleek and compact design. The battery can be easily removed for charging or swapped for a spare to extend the range, providing up to 50 miles of pedal-assisted riding, depending on the terrain and riding conditions. The Brompton Electric C-Line is equipped with a 6-speed Shimano drivetrain to select the ideal gear for any situation, whether it's climbing hills or cruising on flat roads. The bike also features a puncture-resistant Schwalbe Marathon Racer tire on the rear wheel and a Kojak tire on the front for a smooth and comfortable ride, as well as a rear hub brake and front V-brake for responsive and reliable stopping power. One of the main highlights of the Brompton Electric C-Line is its folding mechanism, enabling riders to fold and unfold the bike effortlessly in seconds without tools or complicated maneuvers. The bike can be folded down to a compact size of 23 by 22 by 10.5 inches, small enough to carry onto public transportation, store under a desk, or stow away in a closet or luggage compartment. Weighing around 35 pounds, it is slightly heavier than the non-electric Brompton, but still light enough to lift and carry comfortably. The Brompton Electric C-Line is a premium electric folding bike that offers a unique blend of style, performance, and convenience, catering to urban commuters seeking reliable, enjoyable, and eco-friendly transportation. With a starting price of around $3,850, it is on the high end of the electric folding bike market, reflecting the superior craftsmanship and attention to detail that are synonymous with the Brompton brand. The Go Cycle G4 is a cutting-edge folding electric bike that offers a seamless and smooth ride. This electric bike is equipped with a powerful motor and lithium-ion battery, allowing speeds of up to 20 miles per hour and travel of up to 40 miles on a single charge. Its compact foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. The bike features a lightweight aluminum frame, adjustable stem and handlebars, and 20-inch wheels with puncture-resistant tires. Additionally, the bike comes fully equipped with a range of accessories including mud guards, pannier racks, built-in lights, and integrated kickstands. With its intuitive cycle computer display, riders can track their speed, range, battery level, and more. Overall, the Go Cycle G4 offers a great balance of performance, design, and technology, and is ideal for riders who want a high-performance and futuristic electric bike that can handle different riding conditions and situations, while also looking stylish and innovative. Although the bike has a starting price of around $4,999, which is higher than some other electric bikes, it reflects the premium quality and technology of the bike. As we wrap up this video, we hope that our experts' top picks have helped you in finding the ideal folding electric bike that suits your requirements. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on cycling, electric bikes, and other exciting tech. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you in our next video.